Hello everyone. Today I'm excited to present EcoAdvisor, an AI-powered sustainability assistant developed using Google Agent Development Kit. As environmental concerns continue to grow, many individuals want to reduce their carbon footprint, improve energy efficiency, and adopt sustainable practices. However, understanding energy consumption, calculating environmental impact, and identifying available incentives can often be EcoAdvisor addresses these challenges through a multi-agent system that provides personalized recommendations, accurate environmental calculations, and secure user interactions. In this demonstration, I will showcase the key capabilities of EcoAdvisors and explain how its architecture enables intelligent and responsible decision making. Before we begin the live demonstration, let's briefly look at the architecture. At the center of the system, there is an orchestrator agent that delegates tasks to specialized agents. Depending on the user's query, the orchestrator delegates tasks to specialized agents. The energy agents handles energy efficiency analysis and appliance comparisons. The carbon agents calculate carbon emissions and environmental impact. A security layers validates every request before it reaches any AI component. And and a human-in-the-loop approval mechanism ensures that important commitments require explicit user confirmation. Additionally, EcoAdvisor integrates with custom MCP tools that performs actual calculations, ensuring accurate results instead of solely relying on language model reasoning. Let's begin the live demonstration. First of all, let's begin with an energy efficiency assessment. Here a user wants to determine whether replacing an old refrigerator with a more efficient Energy Star model is financially worthwhile. When the request is submitted, the security checkpoint first validates the input. The orchestrator agent then routes the request to the energy agent. The energy agent invokes a dedicated MCP calculation tool that compares the energy consumption of both appliances and calculates annual savings. Then the result includes estimated yearly cost savings, reduced electricity consumptions, and carbon emissions reductions. Now let's go to the another scenario. Here a person wants to calculate their carbon footprint. This case is about carbon footprint assessment. Here the carbon agent analyzes data from multiple emission sources, including household electricity uses, vehicle travel, and air transportation. Using environmental conversion factors, the system calculates the user's annual carbon emissions. In addition to presenting the total footprint, EcoAdvisor also estimates how many trees would be required to offset those emissions. Let's move to the third scenario. Here, a person living in California is thinking about installing solar panels. So he or she is questioning, is there any rebates available? So what happens here? Let's just see it. So the energy agent assesses rebates and incentive information through its MCP tools and provides state-specific recommendations. Rather than requiring users to search through government websites and utility programs, EcoAdvisor consolidates the information into a single response. Let's go to the fourth scenario, which is human in the loop approval. Here a person wants to install solar panels upgrading to a heat pump and switching into a electric vehicle. How does this triggers the human approval system? Let's see it. When the user makes significantly sustainability commitments, the system does not immediately. Instead, the workflow pauses and requests explicit confirmation from the user. So, such as this. So I have to write a response here. Plan is approved and recorded. Moving on to the final scenario where it involves the security and privacy protection. Here, a user is giving his Gmail and phone number to help him find the rebates. What does the security and privacy protection layer does to this prompt can be seen like this. So let's just see it what it does. So the security is the foundational component of EcoAdvisor. Personally identifiable information such as email address and phone number as given here is automatically detected and redacted. The system also protects against prompt injection attacks. Malicious requests are blocked before reaching any AI agent, as shown here. To conclude, EcoAdvisor demonstrates how Google ADK can be used to build intelligent, secure, and socially beneficial AI systems by combining specialized agents, real-world calculation tools, security, validation, and human oversight. EcoAdvisor empowers individuals to make informed and sustainable decisions. Thank you for watching our demonstration of EcoAdvisor.